Philmac EasyPHIL float valve is a compact, high-performance float valve perfectly suited to small and medium troughs and tanks. It is also watermark approved, making it suitable for drinking water applications. For easy installation, Philmac recommends a pair of multi-grips, an adjustable spanner and a pair of pliers. The EasyPHIL valve comes standard with a long parallel or fastening thread, making it perfect for poly and thin wall troughs and tanks. First, unscrew the back nut from the body of the EasyPHIL float valve and insert it into the inlet of the trough or tank to ensure it fits. We then want to remove the valve from the inlet and attach the float. Philmac recommend the use of a Philmac 4-inch cold water float for optimal performance, but smaller floats and arm combinations can be used for tight cavities. Fasten the back nut by hand until it is tight. Using your multi-grips, nip up the back nut. You may need to hold the valve body in place with a spanner. With parallel threads, thread tape is not required. In this setup, we are using a combination of Philmac threaded fittings to join the valve into the pump hose, which is fitted with a nut and tail adapter. Once you are connected to the water supply, fill the trough or tank. You may wish to adjust the water level at which the valve shuts. To do this, you need to remove the float valve lever arm by using pliers to pull out the pivot pin. Depending on the length of your float valve arm, you may need to remove the float to safely bend the arm. This can be done over the edge of your trough or with a pair of multi-grips. Reattach the float . Insert the lever arm into the float valve and then insert the pivot pin. Once the correct bend in the lever arm is achieved for the desired water level, ensure the pivot pin is secure. Your Philmac float valve should now be successfully installed, giving you years of trouble-free use.